Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand and I'm reviewing Pretty Brush. My hair is always such a mess. My hair never comes out after a blow dry. Here I am, look at that. It is so kinky and frizzy and it just looks horrible. So I've been looking for a product that's better than a flat iron that I could use, and new technology has brought me Pretty Brush. I researched the internet and I reached out to them because I've never seen anything like it. It's much more than a flat iron, it's also a curling iron if you want to get some curl in the bottom of your hair. The unique thing about Pretty Brush is the way it has the heating elements that are in a circular pattern on the brush itself. All of the areas heat up. As I'm using Pretty Brush, I'm able to wedge it through a big section of hair, drag it across my hair, and on many different surfaces, my hair is flattened out. That takes all the frizz away. You can see I'm doing one section of my hair and going through, grabbing sections, putting it through on dry hair, and you can see really quickly one side of my hair and my head is styled in no time flat. Look at that. One side's flat and straight and smooth and silky and shiny. On the other side is just the mess I get with best efforts from my blow dryer. I wouldn't recommend using Pretty Brush on wet hair. It's much better if your hair's dry. It works faster and quicker that way. There's no blow drying action from this. It's just like a heating iron, except with many more surfaces for quicker flat ironing or curling your hair. I really love the straight look, but I also like a little curl in the ends. So you have 50-50 on me today. Pretty Brush is a 3-in-1 heated comb and curling brush. It came to my house in this beautiful box. I love the design. It's great for gifts too. I opened the box and I found the Pretty Brush and the gloves and clips. These are all the things I got in the box, including a really pretty velvet bag to store it in. All you need to do is plug it in, and this is how you turn it on. There is a power button there, and by holding that, pressing it 2 times, you'll get an indicator of the heat. I like to use it on high, so I press the plus button a number of times to get it on high. But there's 5 different heat settings, so you can decide if you like it cooler or warmer. Pretty Brush also came with a simple brush in case you want to blow dry with this brush or just get your hair in a flat surface. I like the clip so you can get some hair out of your way and work in sections that'll nicely fit in the brush. Those sections are actually quite large, thick sections, which makes this go fast. The back of my hair is really trouble. When I do the back of my hair with a Pretty Brush, it's so long I have to do the top section and then I'll go around to the side to finish it up. That's my method because I have to do this by myself. In half the time, I was able to complete my full hairstyling. And I certainly didn't have to go to the salon to pay a lot of money to get a beautifully styled look. As I was researching Pretty Brush, I found out it's the #1 selling styling hairbrush in the world. And that's because of the neat technology. All the surfaces get hot. So when you put it into your hair, it's able to get a whole lot of sections at one time. That's the time saver, and that's the way to get really sleek looking hair. And I thought the gloves are really nifty because that way if you get really close to it, you're not going to burn your hands. And they have these plastic dots on them that give you really nice grip on your hair. I knew I wasn't going to burn myself, and it made managing my hair much easier. There is a very high quality weight and feel to the Pretty Brush. It's a little heavier because it needs to be because of all the parts in it that are straightening your hair. It's not a cheap product. It has always taken me so much time to get ready. So I'm very happy that I have Pretty Brush because it's half the time. Click the link below and get Pretty Brush, your all-in-one hairbrush. I think you're gonna like it too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. Like what's really important, a really good hair day recipe. Those are my favorites. See you next time. If you like this video, I think you're gonna like those over there too.